Come on, stay down, stay down, stay down. Hey, whoa, hey. All you, get off. Oh, what the lord! Hello everybody, Red here with a new video, and today we're playing Halo Combat Evolved once again. And today, I can finally press the resume button. Yeah, for the past few days, haven't been able to press the resume button. Instead, I had to press missions because of so many technical difficulties that are ruining my footage. But now, I can press the resume button and go straight into where I left off last time. Oh, I forgot, this is called 343 Guilty Spark. Like...
When you locate Captain Keyes, radio in, and I'll come pick you up.
Oh yeah, I've been messing around with the graphics. If you watched last episode, you would know that. Let me put it on Anniversary Edition right now. But yeah, this episode's called 343 Guilty Spark. Is this like a chapter that 343 put in themselves? Oh, whoa, hey. I don't know how these guys felt. But yeah, is this mission like, since it has 343 in it, did they like make this just for the not Master Chief Collection, for Anniversary Edition, or was it already called 343 Guilty Spark before 343 actually got their hands on it? Yeah, I don't know. Alright, dang it. Alright. Come on. Alright, oh yeah, that's a carrier. I think I'm supposed to come over here. Alright, hopefully that gets rid of him. It did. Boom. Do I go up here? Possibly. Man. The plant life here is kind of interesting. Like, these look like sea urchin flower, moss-like things. I don't know. Oh. Wait. Oh wait, I see friendly AI around here. That's good. So was that a teammate I saw walking around? Oh, probably not. Oh! Hey, yo! Why was that thing flying? Alright, these guys are scared of something. Alright, what just happened? Alright, wait, I hear one more, but... Why was that stuff flying? Yeah, I don't know why stuff was just flying. And I saw normal, like, human bullets flying around. Boom. Yeah, I don't know. Are there any humans here? Maybe they're up here if there are any. I don't know. Because I saw some yellow dots. I know I saw some yellow dots. I don't know. Maybe they went inside. Maybe they went inside here. That's a possibility that they did. There's already a dead grunt, and an elevator just greeted me here, so that doesn't seem suspicious at all. Nowhere else to go, so I guess I have to use this. Oh wait, I can actually see down. Ooh, alright. Oh, what's this? Oh, hi. Come on, just roll over and die. Someone accidentally dropped a nade. I don't like how my health is already this bad. You know, I might just leave to get some health packs. Cool. Alright, that should get at least one of them. Oh, I think that got two of them. They get all three of them? Possibly. Hopefully. Is there anything else out here? No. I'm gonna quickly go get a health pack, because I desperately need it. And I'll be back. Alright guys, I'm back after getting my health rejuvenated. And... Alright, where am I supposed to go exactly? Oh, wait, over here? Possibly? Maybe? No? I am here now. There's many doors. But they're all red. Oh, besides this one's green. Alright, hi guys. Well, those guys are dead. Also, I'm surprised they gave us so little Magnum ammo for the start. Alright, I'm doing good so far. Oh, I did not mean to do that. It was efficient. Also, wait, what does this look? Ew. Oh yeah, I would never notice that if I didn't turn that on here. Oh, the audio also changes. That's cool. Alright, being honest, the original graphics, this is better than the anniversary graphics. But being honest, when I was coming back down on the lift, it was really dark. I don't know if I can... Ooh, Massacre. I don't know if I can play some of this without the anniversary graphics, because it's like way too dark to actually see anything. And I just loop around. Alright, what's in here? Ooh, what's this? Oh, is that needler ammo? Wait, what does that look? Oh, that's interesting. Purple floor. Oh. Okay. Do I really need needler ammo? I don't think I do. No, I can't access that. Alright, it's just kind of weird. It's a Marine. Whoa, what?
Stay back! Stay back! You're not turning me into one of those things!
Hey!
I'll blow your brains out! Get away from me!
Why are you shooting at me?
Ah! Don't touch me, you freak! I won't be like you, I'll die first! Find your own hiding place.
That dude's obviously lost some screws. Like, they're not even loose, he just lost them. Am I supposed to shoot him? Hopefully not. I don't see any door out of here. Well.
They're gone! Get it? Gone! They won't get me! Oh god! Oh god, I don't want
You
to please.
How does this look? 100. Yeah, I'll just take this and go. Actually, if I go up against Elite, I can probably find another one of those. So I'll just take this. Stop shooting at me, for God's sake. You know, maybe I am supposed to shoot this guy. Who knows? I don't think I was supposed to. But at least I have a whole lot more Magnum ammo. Oh wait, there's a ramp. Maybe there's an unlockable door up here. Wait. Come on. Yeah, I think there's one right there. I somehow missed it. Alright. Oh, alright. That's how I get up here. I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to go over there. And... Oh, wait. I think I can fall by doing that. Ooh, assault rifle ammo. Let's go. I'm already full of health. Ooh, I think I got a little more ammo there. Nowhere else to go. I guess I do have to go down here. At least I have a couple more medkits. Nothing. Yeah, this is the only way to go. Oh. Oh wait, I forgot I changed the graphics, I think. I'm not entirely sure. Oh. I wonder what that could be. Oh, oh. Yeah, that guy's dead. I think that's a medic helmet. Oh, Jenkins. I think, or yeah, I think that's Jenkins is what it says. I like the name Jenkins. I sometimes use it when speaking, like as a random name, like make up a character or something. Jenkins, Gerald, and I think Jaquevius are some of the ones I use.
Why do we always have to listen to this old stuff, Sarge?
Watch your mouth, son. This stuff is your history. It should remind you, grunts, what we're fighting to protect.
Whoa!
Does someone want to wipe out this particular part of my history? That's fine by me.
This kid.
Better it than us.
You ask them real nice next time you see him, Vicente. I'm sure they'll be happy to oblige.
LZ looks clear. I'm bringing us down.
I mean,
Go, go, go!
Johnson's music ain't that bad, being honest. You know, it would have been cool if we could play as this guy. Play a mission as a Marine. That would be pretty cool, being honest.
Mendoza,
I think
move
he'd
it up!
spawned in.
Wait here for the captain and his squad, then get your ass inside.
Sir!
Okay, let's move!
I feel like Halo should do that one time. Have you play as a Marine. Like, maybe that's like a whole entire Halo game. Maybe Sergeant Johnson. That would be pretty cool.
Which is weird, right? I mean, look at it.
Oh.
Something scrambled the insides.
What's that? Plasma scoring?
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe there was an accident, you know, friendly fire or something?
What do we have, Sergeant? Looks like a Covenant patrol. Badass elite units. All KIA.
Real pretty. Friend of yours?
Nah, we just met.
Right, well, let's get this door open.
I'll try, sir. But it looks like these Covenant worked pretty hard to lock it down.
Just do it,
The light is green. What do you mean? It's openable. You don't need that. Something gonna come through the door?
Got a bad feeling about this.
Because everyone's staring at it.
Boy, you always got a bad feeling about something.
Sarge, can you hear me?
What's going on, soldier?
He's got contact. Stop them. But they're not Covenant. They're just tearing through us. What the? Oh, no!
Corporal, do you copy? Over.
I wonder what they found.
Mendoza, get your ass back up to second squad's position and find out what the hell is going on.
But-
I don't have time for your lip, soldier. I gave you an order.
Sarge! Listen!
What is that? Where's that coming from, Mendoza?
I don't... There!
Oh, oh, something is busted through. Oh, that got to him quickly.
Hold still! Let him have it!
Oh, oh.
Sergeant, damn it, Jenkins! Fire your weapons!
There are too many, Sarge!
think about it.
What is the dude that I'm viewing from doing? He doesn't have a gun out or anything. Oh, well, I guess it was a medic helmet, so do medics not get weapons? Pretty sure Jenkins had a medic helmet. Oh, you didn't have to disrespect Jenkins' last memories like that. That was kind of insensitive. Oh, the flood. There we go. Oh, well, there's, well, there were Marines. And I think that was Sergeant Johnson's, yeah, that was Captain's. Oh no, I don't like the sound of that. Oh, all right. At least I know some tips about getting rid of the flood. Like the assault rifle is absolutely amazing for these little guys. Hey yo, get away. Hey, I already shot you. I swear my reticle was on you. Hey, get off of me, dang it. Boom. I kind of like how the visual effects whenever you kill them, they like just shred apart like a balloon. Oh, hey. Come on, stay down. Hey, whoa, hey. All you, get off. Oh, what the Lord? Get off me. Oh, I don't like how there's a big dot over there. Oh, no. There we go. That guy. Oh! Hi. Oh, dang, I missed. Oh, that's a normal nade. I think he got rid of him, though. Let's go. Oh, hi. Alright, boom. And finish. Ooh, what was that? What did I shoot off of him? I think it was a piece of armor. Okay, any more? I see a little red dot somewhere. Oh, he's over here. Cool. Alright, he's down. He's done. He's gone. Alright, I'm guessing... I didn't take any damage, yeah. Oh no, I see more red dots. I don't like red dots. I'm gonna go through here. Nope, not in there. Alright, so, wait, where am I supposed to go? Wait. Ah, green. It's green everywhere. The flood don't have blood in the anniversary edition? Ooh, wait. That looks a lot grosser. Alright, yeah, I'm guessing I just go back around, hey, yeah, because there's enemies out here. Ah! Hey, hi, the three of you. That little guy got me. The little one got me. Okay. Alright, I see how it is now. Oh, I got that one. I didn't even mean to. Hey! Whoa! Where did you come from? Yeah, I'm gonna play in this mode now. Got him. Oh. Even the... Oh, I didn't even notice this guy. But yeah, even the shooting sound effects are different. Oh, what's behind me? Oh no. Oh, I'm out of grenades. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this, because, yeah. Hey, the jackals are actually beating them, I think. Alright. Oh, they're all dead. Alright. Plasma grenades. Yes, let's go. Give me all the nades. How many nades can I have? Alright, there's only that amount. Where am I supposed to go? Oh, I did not mean to get in there. Not through there. Where did I come from? Not there. Through here. Alright. Oh. I guess they were in there for cover until, these guys came in. Yep, got him. Oh, hey, hey, hey. Hi, little guys. Come on, no, die, 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 die. I really like how they can crawl over the walls. I think when Bungie originally made this, they did pretty good, especially since they made their own, like, physics engine, I'm pretty sure. I think they did pretty good. Oh, is there stuff up there? Probably. I don't want to mess with it, though. I'm so glad I can't go through there. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Hey, 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 hi, buckaroos. Oh, I got a little one. Alright, 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 alright. I see how you are. I see how you are. Oh no, oh no, are they dropping from the second floor? Because I think they are. Yo, wait, 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 do they have guns now? Oh no, there's a I think that's a living jackal. Really? Oh no. You know what, I'm just not gonna mess with it. Yeah, just gonna leave it be. I have no more nades. Where am I supposed to go now? Oh, up there. How do I get up there? Wait. Oh, wait. Was I supposed to go up? Because I think there is a ramp, right, in here. Was I supposed to go up it? What the? Oh wait, I think I'm supposed to climb up this. Alright. I get you. I get this game now. I understand it. Hi. Yeah, you are. Oh, and I fell again. Oh, how lovely. Alright. Hey. Leave me alone. I did nothing wrong. I just want to get out of here. Alright, time to go. I still... actually, no, I do know what the red dots are from. No way. Alright, Magnum's great. Oh, okay. I was You don't understand how many missions I've been waiting to use a shotgun. Because out of every weapon in this game, the shotgun is the one I wanted to use the most. And is that water? No, it's just glass. Oh, I finally get to use a real shotgun in Halo. I haven't gotten to do that before. And for everyone who's watched previous video and are like, hey, you play Halo Infinite. There's shotguns in there. Well, the reason why I'm saying proper shotgun instead of shotgun is because, being honest, the Bulldog, the Heatwave, I don't see them as proper shotguns. Because what I think a proper shotgun is, instant kill once you're like 3 feet in front of somebody. But guess what? Halo Infinite doesn't have that. Instead, we got the Bulldog, which is the Bulldog. Can't instant kill with it. Neither can you do with the Heat Wave, and I think those are the only 2 shotguns in Halo Infinite. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Oh wait, please don't say I just backtracked. I might have just backtracked. Yeah, I think I backtracked a little bit. Oh! This was the elevator room. Alright. Wait, am I supposed to be going down? I don't think I'm supposed to be going down. Oh, but that... Oh, come on. That is a lot cooler than this. What is with all the red? No. No. Hey. Hey, ho, ho. No, 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 no. No. Get away from me. All of you. Oh, crap. Crap, crap, crap. Hi. Are those Jackal, Flood? Where is he? Where is he? Alright, that was so... Oh, I don't think I even killed him. Alright. Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. Hi. Oh, wait. That was my own Marine right there. Oh, I can melee him. That's pretty cool. Oh, wait, there's Overshield up there. I'm glad to see that. But I don't like hearing those noises. Kind of scary. Let me... I've been playing in the old graphics for a little bit. What about go back to normal? Oh, hi there. Howdy. Nice to meet you guys again. Oh. Yeah, probably not a good idea to do that. Okay, am I supposed to go down there? Hey, man, they can climb up here? Okay, that doesn't seem too fair. I can have Overshield and Invis. Alright, where do I go next? Over here? They didn't hear anything. I'm very sneaky. I think this guy has a shotgun. Alright. I decided I wanted to be stealthy, but oh, come on. That was a good nade. I got rid of almost everybody. Oh, health. Ooh, Magnum. No. These are like the 2 best weapons for the Flood, if I'm recalling things correctly. And invisibility's off. Hey, back up, back up, back up, back up. Alright. Hey, gross little parasite. Oh, down for the count. I don't think there's anything else up here. Any more? I heard another shotgun. I don't like that. Because whatever I can do to him, they can do to me. Wait, I'm back up here. Was I supposed to do that? Maybe. You know, never mind. I was gonna kill those, but I'll... Wait a minute. I think I came through there. Crap! Crap, crap, crap. Nope, nope, no. Back up. Back up. Alright, I made a bad choice. I made a bad choice. Alright, shotgun? Yeah. Alright, thank you guys. Alright, time to go back up there. I'll see you guys when I am up there. Alright, I think I'm at the door I'm supposed to be in. Oh crap, they're on the ceiling. They're on the walls. They're in the walls.
He's in the wall.
He's in the goddamn wall!
I love the shotgun so much. I'm so glad I get to play around with it. And also, where do I go? So I can make a clean break. Hey, you somehow got up here when I didn't see you. Alright, oh. Down here. Is this it? I think this is it. Let's go, boys. Nope, not there. Alright, come on. Anyone else? Boom. Hey, you're not supposed to be walking around anymore. Here, ooh, hey. Come on. Stay down. If you know what's good for you. Alright, over here now. Hey. Hey, you're all, hey, back up, hey, yo. No, hey, what? Alright, at least they're also down for the count. I was not expecting that. Get out of my way. Alright, did I go the right direction? I think I did. Hi, buddy chum pal.
Hey there, buddy chum pal friend, buddy pal chum bud friend, fellow brother amigo pal buddy friend, chummy chum pal. I don't mean to be rude, my friend pal home slice bread slice dog, but I gotta warn ya, if you take one more diddly darn step right there, I'm gonna have to diddly darn snap your neck. And wowza, wouldn't that be a crummy juncture, huh? Do you want that? Do you wish upon yourself to come into physical experience with a crummy juncture? Because friend, buddy, chum, friend, chum, pally, pow, chum, friend. If you keep this up, then well, gosh diddly darn, I just might have to get not so friendly with you, my friendly friend, pal, friend, buddy, chum, pally, friend, chum, buddy.
Oh. Let me not use this on you. Oh, hi. Alright. Oh, I got more ammo. 2 bullets is indeed 2 bullets. 2 bullets equals like 2 mini flood kills. Am I supposed to go up from here? If so, I don't see it, because that's where I came from. And unless I'm not supposed to be here... am I not supposed to be here? I might not... Ah, okay. Oh! I don't know where all you guys came from. I thought I already killed everyone in this room. Unless I haven't been in this room, which would be interesting. Oh, hey. Alright. Okay. I can't hit him. I could not hit it for the life of me. Howdy, where are you? Boom. Alright, did I come from here? Hey, I don't remember you being here. Oh wait, was my last checkpoint like a while ago? Alright, over here, possibly, maybe, I don't know. Oh, I got some new music. Hey, stop shooting at me, please, and thank you. I don't know where that other one went. Oh, no. Come on. Alright, there we go. Not there. No. Hopefully I got that guy. Wait. Hey, I don't know where you came from, but you're now dead. And, you know, I would appreciate it if you stopped shooting me. Alright. Oh. I hate getting stuck on these doors. Oh, yep. I haven't been in this room either, it seems like. Alright. Okay, finally I found somewhere I can go up. I did not go up. Alright. I go here. I just noticed that last second I was gonna fall. Alright. I didn't notice that. You know what? You deserve a whole entire shell to yourself. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna stay around the edges. Ooh. Alright. Let's see what's behind this door. Hi. You know, that's a great, welcoming thing, right? You just walk up to someone, say nothing, just put a little round in their head. Where am I supposed to go? Am I supposed to go over there? Oh, yep, that's what I thought. Bridge. Hey. Oh, hi. I'm so glad to have some guests. Actually, I guess I'm the guest, because this is where you guys were before I came here. You guys were around before I was. So, I'm technically the guest. Is this a welcoming party? Aw, I'm so glad you guys are welcoming me with open arms. Alright, up we go. Oh, wait, I am going up. Oh, that one's climbing.
This is Echo 419. Chief, is that you?
Yes.
I lost your signal when you disappeared inside the structure. What's going on down there?
Oh, everyone's
I'm
dying.
tracking movement all over the place.
Sir, thank God you're here. We've been lost out here for hours. After we lost contact with the rest of the mission, we headed to the RV point, and then these things, they ambushed us. We gotta get out of here.
Yeah, that's nice. Can we go now?
There's a large tower a few hundred meters from your current position.
Few hundred?
Find a way above the fog and foliage canopy, and I can move in and pick you up.
Okay, it's easier to see like this, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, there's less fog. I'm gonna use this. Oh no, I see a bunch of red dots.
I see one. Nice to see you, sir.
Nice to see you too. Alright, so, oh, is this the Covenant? Oh, nope. Oh no, a Marine's already down. Dead. Well, I mean, that one specifically is dead. There he is. Alright, down. Alright, you're both getting a pair of lead. Alright, wait. Oh wait, I'm supposed to be moving along, right? Man, I got a lot of Marines with me now. Alright.
Whoa!
I see red lights. That must mean something, right?
My fault.
Attack me, not my Marines. Come on. Oh, his groin was in my face. No! No! My man! Is everyone gone? Am I the only one left? That can't be. I had more than 10 guys and they're all gone just like that? Aw, oh, that's so sad. Alright, he's down. Can't shoot and kill a rock, can you? I heard. Oh, there you are. Right there. Alright, where exactly am I supposed... Oh. I'm assuming this is where I'm supposed to go. Yo, buddy. Hey, what you humming about? Oh, crap! They are shooting me. They aren't being phased. They are not being phased. Oh wait, they're shooting the flood. Yo, wait, where did he go?
Hi, how are you?
Oh, hi. Oh, okay, all the flood needed to die.
Greetings. I am the monitor of Installation 04.
Alright, hi.
I am 343 Guilty Spark.
Oh.
Someone has released the flood. My function is to prevent it from leaving this installation, but I require your assistance. Come, this way.
So wait, was 343 named after this little guy?
Chief, I've lost your signal! Where'd you go? Chief! Chief!
He teleported me, alright. Oh, alright, that's it. Oh no, I know what's next. Oh no, the next one, yep, the library. Oh no. I heard this is the hardest level in Combat Evolved and one of the hardest in all of Halo. I don't like the sound of that, being honest.
We must collect the index before we can activate the installation.
Alright. Oh, that's so dark. Yeah, I'm gonna use this instead. Oh, wait. I forgot. I just started. I can't believe I just forgot. I started a new chapter. So, yeah, that's gonna be it for today, guys. If you want to see more, stay continued. And, you might want to watch the next episode, because I bet I'm not gonna do too well. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye.